and I am a language trainer by profession. I teach spoken English and German language. I am teaching since 7 years as of now, and my education background is from Delhi only. So I have completed my BCom honors from Delhi, and then I have done my masters from Delhi only. And then I have pursued German language as an additional, qualification. And I have done it from Max Miller Bhavan, New Delhi. I have completed till C2 level. After that, I have completed the advanced diploma in German language from Delhi University. And I have also done masters in German from JNU. I usually teach spoken English and German language to the students, who wants to uh, improve their English language, and also who wants to go to Germany for their further studies. For German, I usually teach the professionals as well as the students who has their German language in 10th, and 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and also to the professional students who wants to go to Germany for their further studies and job purpose. For spoken English, I teach those students who are particularly seeking for, communicative English, and, who wants to improve or enhance their English skills. And you can also take personality development classes from me. It's been, I think so, 7 to 8 years that I'm teaching spoken English and German language both. And many of my students, they are already, well settled in Germany. And those who have taken English classes from me, they are doing good jobs. See, it's all about, learning a language, and, you need to learn the basics. If you are good in the basics, then obviously, you can do good in your skills. So German language and spoken English both have their different aspects in life. And with German language, I would say the student can benefit, because I am from Max Miller Bhavan only. I have studied and I'm still associated with Max Miller Bhavan. I know the examination pattern of the institute. I my learning can benefit you in terms of clearing the examination, as well as doing certain major things like you can excel in your communication and listening skills in German language, which is the most important thing in in learning German language. And if you talk about English, then yes, everyday English is very much important for us. Nowadays, wherever you go, you have to speak in English. So from the corporate aspect, your English would be very much important. So these are the kind of service I provide. So if you want to do spoken English and German, then you can always contact me. Thank you.